Hello and welcome to Articon. Here we have everything you need to complete every step of your dental digital workflow for scanning, designing, and manufacturing. Create digital models with modern intraoral scanner Medit T500 by capturing 3D image directly from patient's mouth or by scanning traditional impressions or stone models with desktop scanner Medit T500. Design a wide variety of restorations with ExoCAD, powerful and high-efficient modular dental CAD software. This module system allows great flexibility and you can choose just what you need or omit what you don't. Manufacture your models, crowns, bridges, or any other restorations. Consider Asiga MAX series desktop 3D printer to cover your printing needs. These printers proved themselves as one of the best desktop 3D printers in terms of print quality and consistency. Hard to imagine a modern dental lab without milling machines. You can upgrade your lab with fairly compact but powerful coritec 350i series milling machine from imes-icore. 350i is great all-arounder which is capable to process the most of materials used in modern dentistry. In a bundle with the milling machine, you will get MillBox CAM software, which is the most intuitive and simple dental CAM solution on the market today. For more details, please visit our website www.articon.com. Thanks for watching.